Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Like seriously, see my hair. Just white hair just come at once. Gray hair like come at once. I don't look for a lot of like remedy and all to make sure say at least I make the hair a little bit black because at times people will just look like why you not put color, why you not put this, why you not put that. So I just check a lot of remedy and I want to try this one to see how it will be if it will actually make my hair black as I want, because I don't try the color, that is I don't try to dye the hair, but after like maybe 2 weeks my hair will just come out back again like gray. So I want to try this remedy. Mine's better than a remedy when I will fix the continuously they use all the time to take do my hair. So first of all, plantain. Okay, I don't peel the plantain. Now to mash the plantain. Plantain are the banana. It's banana, not plantain. Plantain is that big one. But this one is banana and coffee. Coffee. This one is extra strong coffee. Any coffee that you have at home. Okay, and this and typhon tea. Okay, you add this typhon tea, which is instant black tea. Okay, so let's start. And you will now use coconut oil. You use coconut oil on it and some water. So let's start. This coconut oil is very blocked now, so I'm putting it in the heater so that it will melt, because over here in Europe everything is freeze up now. I have just a little bit of sun now, so let's add some spoon of coffee here, like 2 spoons of coffee. Like this is like everything is, this one is something that you already have at home. Okay, something you already have at home. Okay, it's that traditional coffee that you used to cook at home. Okay, so let me try this with it. Let's see how it come out. I will make I go use my other coffee. So over here we have 2 types of coffee. This one is the coffee. I just noticed this one is the coffee that we normally boil. You boil it and bring that the coffee out. This one is the coffee that you can just put inside water, inside tea, inside water, and it will just dissolve. This one. So I think I'm going to use the dissolved one. Okay, the one that can easily dissolve. Let me put 2 spoons because this gray hair is all over all my hair, all over everywhere on my hair. So let me mash the banana. Mash the banana. And let's mash the banana. And in that way, try this remedy because it's natural, and let's see how the hair will come out. At the end of the day, make we see how our hair will come out. Okay. Okay. So let's add the oil. The what I used to scoop this oil now because the oil is like still melting. So this one is very strong. I would have loved it to be I love it to be melt first, but I can still mix it all over. That is enough. I'm not going too much. Look at the one I put. Not much. Just on my heater now, so I think everything will melt very fast. I have to have less lights. This oil to be melted, but you want to make your own. Use the coconut oil, the oil one, the next one, not this one that is frozen. Okay, you use the next one, but this one is going to open anyway. This one will open. Now pigeon English I want to say, so this one will open anyway, but let me put water. A little bit of water. Mix. Okay. So I don't mix everything together. Look at how it ends. Okay, see how everything can be. The oil, the water, and the coffee. Okay, the coffee. So I'm going to mix the banana into it. Let's try and see if our gray hair will disappear. So mix it all, mix everything together, mix it together, just like a much. You can use blender to blend it. Okay, if it's not, if you see all this banana this thing inside particles, you can blend it. Okay, So this is it. Let me start applying it to my hair. Oh my god. I think I showed how. Like, let me use my hands. Let's see how it goes. Oh no. No problem. This shirt is going to be dirty, so wash it. I know maybe if it's stick like comment, maybe after 2 weeks or so, if this remedy works, I can be using this one to like do my hair because everything here is natural. I normally take coffee, the coconut oil, the water. Okay, all those things are things that we use in our kitchen and on daily basis and all. It's not something that is harmful, doesn't have chemical components, and it's things that we can use at home daily. So I would prefer something like this. Maybe I'll be applying it on your hair every 2 weeks or so. But I think it's more reasonable than you buying those, more reasonable to say you buy that that color and all because me, I don't like those color on my hair. Normally break my hair. I know I've used it once on my hair before I cut it off the other time. So my hair just grow again now. And I want something more natural. And I saw it on a video. Some people were saying that they have used it and it works for them. Some of them say it doesn't work. So let us try. Put it. Let's try it on my hair and see how it works. See how it works. I'm going to use every bit of this one, every bit of this one, so that I can get the result I want. This is my hair, my beautiful hair. I love my hair so much, but it's very complicated maintaining it. That is why we want to look for something more natural and easier for me to use on my hair. How did you see it? How did you see it, my people? How you see it? Especially this one there. This one is the depot of whitening. At least we'll leave it for at least 30 minutes before we wash it off. Let's see the difference. Let me put here because this place is normally where you see most of the white hair, but it's all over everywhere. But you can easily see it here. So let's see this remedy how it works. Let's see this remedy how it works. I'm going to use everything. Ciao. I finished everything. I look like soup. So, yes, everything. Look at it. I hate wasting things. So, come on. Let's give a little bit of massage. A little bit of massage on our hair. Bing. Oh, let's get my check. Oh, my kids. Ooh. How did you see it? How much did they white it? How much? Yeah. Fine. Let's go and wash it. And let's see. I love my hair. You know what? I'll wait for 30 minutes, then look at my hand. Then I'll wash it off, okay? I will show you the final results of the hair, how it goes at the end, okay? If you like my hair, just like the video, okay? I'll show you the results if you can do it at home. If you are the type who get gray hair, you can try this recipe at home and see how it works. But I'm going to show you how it comes out and how my hair was before, okay? And apart from that, I know it's not something that is going to just work very fast. You have to put it maybe every 2 weeks, okay? You have to put this mask on your hair like every 2 weeks to get the real results. Even the tint on your hair, it will die that you will normally use. If you use it once, it's not going to just be there. So like this one is a natural remedy. You can be using it like every 2 weeks or every 1 month, so that you can get the best result. But for now, I will come back again to tell you how my hair came out at the end of the day after this mask. Okay, coffee mask, coffee, banana, coconut oil, and water. Okay, bye bye. Guys, this is the result after washing and everything. I wash it with shampoo and condition. And this is the final result. Final result. So I will leave it like this and then continue to do it like every 2 weeks. So let me see the result of it, because I don't believe that this thing will just go once like this, but you have to like continuously do it, and then so that we can see the results. You know, as I said before, this is the headquarter of the gray hair, the front. So for anybody that have gray hair, should have known that. So I think we should start accepting this gray hair, and then life goes on, because this one I've come to stay. You don't need to be old before you have gray hair. Okay, so let me leave you all. Just leave you all, and so that this thing will dry. Bye bye, everyone.